How's it going?
It's going great. How are you?
I'm pretty good.
Awesome.
What do we have here today?
These are cool. So imagine that you have a shop and you have a drill press and you need to drill multiple holes at once. This is a simple way to do 2 or more holes at once on a drill press. And so the cool thing about this is these customers didn't even have drill presses. And so we're providing not only the multiple spindle head here, but we're even providing the drill press itself. We just bought an off-the-shelf drill press and we put a multiple spindle head on it because not only do we have the head, but we also have the adapters in stock for this. And so imagine that almost overnight you can up your production by 2, 3, 4 times just by adding additional spindles to an existing drill press. That's what this is. This is really cool.